Namaste, myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Department of Faculty, Physiotherapy and Diagnostics, JVM, Rajasthan. Today we are going to discuss the equipment needed to open a physical therapy clinic. Opening a physical therapy clinic is exciting, but it can be costly. How can you make sure you get all the equipment you need without destroying your budget? Here are some suggestions on the equipment you need to open a physical therapy clinic. Tips for helping you decide what you need right away and what equipment can wait until your clinic is established. While it's tempting to buy every piece of equipment available, it isn't the right business decision. You shouldn't invest in every piece of equipment before your business has a chance to get off the ground. However, how do you decide what you must buy now and what can wait? Write a list of joint problems, diagnosis, and patient populations that you plan on treating. Create a second list of most critical equipment for each category. Rate each piece of equipment on its level of importance, with 5 being the most important and 1 being the least important. Rate how versatile each piece of equipment is, with 5 being the most versatile and 1 being the least versatile. Start with the highest rated pieces of equipment for the most cost efficient way to open a physical therapy clinic. Now, types of equipment you need to open a physical therapy clinic. It's easy to get carried away buying equipment dedicated to physical therapy. However, don't forget to budget for things like computer software, waiting room, furniture, business cards, and more. Here are some of the types of equipment you need to open a physical therapy clinic. Office equipment. At a minimum, you will probably have a reception area and 1 back room office. It would be best if you made sure each space has what it needs, such as chairs, desk, computer with appropriate hardware and software, cash box and credit card processing machine, patient chart materials, filing cabinets, business cards and stationery, brochures, and multifunctional copier, fax or scanner. What are the other business supplies? While not relating directly to the back office or reception desk, don't forget to include these other business supplies such as waiting room furniture, cleaning supplies, doormats, trash cans and bags, coffee maker, refrigerator and microwave for the break room, and other break room supplies. Others are washer, dryer and laundry basket. Now, what are the list of medical and first aid supplies? Accident happen and you should prepare for everything from a paper cut to an injury to a heart attack. And the supplies needed for these are automated external defibrillator, a strap, band-aids, cotton swabs, tongue depressors, gauze, athletic tape and rubbing alcohol. Now, what should be the educational materials required? A big part of physical therapy is helping people understand their injuries. Another is knowing how to properly execute their exercises to help improve their injury without the risk of making it worse. Some materials that can help with this include skeleton, posters, anatomical models, tablet or computer for patient education. Now, testing and measuring devices. Don't forget to include the tools that can help you assess your patient's progress. Make sure you include things such as thermometer, stethoscope, blood pressure monitor, tape measure, goniometer, dynamometer, reflex hammer, neurological testing instruments, video analysis hardware and software, FCE testing equipment or system. Now, what are the basic modalities requirement? To have an excellent physical therapy clinic, you need more than just big equipment. Smaller things that can make a big difference include ice packs, small freezer, ice massage cups, creams, vasopneumatic compression device, hydrocollateral with hot packs, electrical stimulator with electrodes, paraffin bath, antiprocess unit, traction unit, table and accessories. Now, what are the list of exercise and fitness equipment? Exercise is a big part of the physical therapy process. Consider including some of the following pieces of equipment in your physical therapy clinic, and these are treadmill, gym ball, medicine ball, foam rolls, dumbbells, pulleys, resistance band or tubing, putty, cuff weights, supine shuttle style leg press machine, stationary bike, upper body ergometer, multi-purpose multi-joint adjustable resistive machine, balance boards, wall bar or parallel bar, EMG biofeedback or diagnostic equipment. Now, what are the requirements for basic PT? Now, the equipment you have been waiting for. Here is some of the equipment you should consider investing in: treatment tables, mirrors, step stools, linens including towel, blanket, sheet, gowns, pillowcases, etc. Other than these, gait belt, variety of bolsters, wedges, supports, taping supplies, orthotics and splinting materials, treatment room cabinets, chairs, therapist tools on wheels, exercise steps, various assistive devices. Now, let us discuss about financing. While some equipment can wait, it does require lots of money to get the minimum equipment necessary to get your physical therapy clinic up and running. First, Union Lending has a wide variety of financing options to help you get the best loan for equipment you need to open a physical therapy clinic. Not all loan types are created equal. So, speak to a lending specialist about the best kind of financing for your needs. Thank you.